Hi guys, it's me. Last time we finished up our bunny ears and now we are gonna make our bunny feet. Here's the pattern and here we go. We start off with a magic ring 10. You guys already know how to do that. Cross over, go under, over. There we go. Make a slip stitch so that you don't lose this. Pull tight. Prepare everything. And 10 single crochets into your magic ring. So under, under, over, over, and that's one. Don't forget to put your stitch marker. All right. And now we continue. So we need 9 more. So under, under, over. That's 2. That's 3. It's 4. It's 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stitch marker right here. Alright, we've made 10. You know the drill. Pull, pull, pull. Get that hole as small as possible. Pull, 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 pull. There we go. Pull this stitch marker out. And now row 2 is increase in single crochet 5 times. Pretty simple. In this first one, you're going to increase. So right here. Pull through. There we go. It's going to be 1. And a little hole. 2. And then in the next one, you single crochet. So it's just 1. Next one, you increase. Sorry about that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one, you single crochet. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's increase. That's 8, 9. And then your single crochet is 10. No, it's not. That's 7 and 8. Your single crochet is 9. Oh my gosh, I should be asleep. Alright, and then your increase is 10 and 11. 10. Now 11. And then your single crochet is 12. I know what I'm doing, I promise. And then your increase is 13, 14. What's 13? And 14. and your single crochet is 15. Give me a sec. There we go. Single crochet is 15. There we go. Put your stitch marker. Ta-da. Pull it over as tight as you need. Now we single crochet around twice. So all you're doing is single crochet in each. Super simple, super easy. You guys know how to do this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can tell it's wanting to go in this direction. Don't. You want it that direction. Right, don't let it go like this. Go like that. Alright, so that was row 3. We need one more row of single crochet around, and then we can start decreasing. So just go all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I can do this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now that we have row 4, we need to do row 5, which is just decrease single crochet 5 times. Let me pull some more yarn. I'm going to grab a drink of water. So after that, when you see this part, it's done like this so that you have where it goes down in one side and not the other. That's how you make that little foot. So right now we're gonna decrease in single crochet. So 1, 2, 2 and decrease, and then single crochet, and there you go. Now do that around, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, and then last single crochet. All right, let's put you back on. From here we do 2 decreases, so yeah, and then 6 single crochet. So give me 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back. We just did row 5. Now we're going to do 2 decreases and then 6 single crochet, and that's how we're going to have right here go smaller while this stays straight. That's how you have that foot where you get the outline of a foot. Alright, so decrease 2, so 1, 2. There we go. Go to the next one. 1, 2. Decrease. And then the rest are 6 single crochets. So give me 1 sec actually. At this point you can twist this until it goes down. That way it's not in your way. Okay. So when I crochet, I like having my one finger in so I can feel and push the yarn. So to you guys, that's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochets, and 6 single crochets. So from here, you're going to want to do decrease once and then 6 single crochets. So decrease once, so 1 and 2. And there we go. And then it's 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that one out, and 6. All right, all done. Now you're going to stuff. You don't need too much. Just remember, you can do little at a time and use the back of your hook. You can see where the, if you see right there, it's curved and here it's straight. There you go. See? You gotta fill it. You can fill it as much as you want or as little as you want. I think I'm gonna fill a bit more. I don't want it too full. All right. And then to fasten off, what you do is you leave an okay tail, cut it, and just pull through. There you go. All right, guys, that's it for this video. We have now made our body, our head, and our ears, and now we've made a foot. Next episode, we'll be making our arms, or a arm, and I'll go ahead and make another foot off camera. You guys can just repeat this video to learn how to make that. All right, bye.